Welcome to Best Choice. The best Getintothelimelight Tanner is probably one of the most sought-after self-tanning solutions on the market, promising a natural-looking glow without the harmful UV rays. Whether you're aiming for a subtle sun-kissed look or a deep, bronze complexion, this product aims to deliver a streak-free, even tan that fades beautifully. We'll be diving deep into its application, longevity, and overall results to see if it truly lives up to the hype and helps you achieve the coveted radiant skin. Number 5. Revlon Volcanic Stone Face Roller. Tired of oily skin? This tool instantly mattifies your complexion, absorbing excess oil for a shine-free appearance. Keep your makeup looking perfect. It effectively removes excess oil without disturbing your existing makeup. Whether you're at home or out and about, you can achieve a matte finish anytime. Use it on clean skin or over makeup. Say goodbye to wasteful blotting papers. This roller is made from real volcanic stone and is reusable and washable. Its compact design makes it easy to carry anywhere. Achieve a quick shine banish wherever you are. Need a refresh? Simply swap out the roller balls with our refill packs. No need to buy a new handle. What we like? This is your go-to for instant shine control. It absorbs excess oil without disturbing your makeup, making it perfect for touch-ups throughout the day. If you have oily skin and want to maintain a matte finish on the go, this is the ideal solution. What people say. Smoothly glides on, no residue, small enough for purse or car for quick touch-ups, easily disassembled for quick cleaning. This roller does remove oil and makes my skin look nicely matte, especially on my T-zone, so it works for its main purpose. It's got some kind of volcano rock in this roller tube. All you do is remove the cap and roll that little sucker all over your face. The small, cool stone feels pleasant gliding over your face, and as it's rolling, it picks up the oil like a vacuum. It leaves your skin feeling supple, smooth, and miraculously oil-free and refreshed. It can soak up a lot of oil at once, and you can use it over and over. To clean it, simply remove the ball and wash all the parts, wash with soap and water, then lay aside to dry. Then reassemble the thing, and bam! Just like new. There is no need to worry about ruining a powder puff or a brush. There is no makeup or chemicals in this product. It's basically a damn rock. And it solved a problem I have fought my entire life. It is so easy to use. Roll it all over your face. The oil disappears. It leaves your skin feeling cool and almost chalky, almost, but not quite. It feels like your face does right after applying a good matte finish primer. There's no makeup, powder, lotion, toner, etc. in it. The best part is you can use it throughout the day as man and time as needed. It won't mess up your makeup. Number 4. Bondi Sand Self-Tanning Foam. Achieve a beautiful, sun-kissed glow with our innovative self-tanning foam. It's designed to give you a flawless, natural-looking tan every time. Experience a lightweight formula that feels comfortable on your skin. Enriched with aloe vera and coconut, it hydrates while it tans. Say goodbye to streaks and uneven patches. This foam glides on smoothly for an even, seamless application. We've infused it with nourishing aloe vera and coconut. These ingredients help to soothe and hydrate your skin for a soft feel. Get ready to reveal your most radiant skin. It's the perfect way to achieve a gorgeous tan from the comfort of your home. What we like? Achieve a natural-looking tan with this lightweight formula. It's enriched with nourishing ingredients for a comfortable application and a beautiful, even result. If you're looking for a simple way to get a sun-kissed glow without streaks, this is a great choice. What people say. The application process is seamless, thanks to the easy-to-use spray bottle and fast-drying formula. I love that it glides on smoothly without streaks, and the color develops evenly over time. It goes on smoothly, smells great, and looks like a real sun tan. No orange color or streaks. Beautiful color without the orange. Looks very natural and seem to last longer than most. Easy to apply. I used a mitt to apply the product, went on even and was not streaked. Number 3. St.Tropez Classic Bronzing Self-Tan Mousse. Achieve a beautiful, natural-looking golden tan with ease. Our classic bronzing mousse provides a streak-free finish for a flawless glow. Say goodbye to streaks and hello to an even, sun-kissed complexion. This mousse glides on smoothly for a perfect application every time. Get that just off the beach look without the sun. It delivers a natural-looking tint that complements your skin tone beautifully. The lightweight mousse formula makes application simple and quick. Enjoy a gorgeous, natural-looking tan in just one application. For a reliable and stunning tan, reach for this classic bronzing mousse. It's your secret to a radiant, golden complexion. What we like? Get a beautiful, natural-looking golden tan with ease. The tinted guide color ensures a flawless, streak-free application every time. If you desire a classic, reliable self-tan that looks like you've spent a day in the sun, this is the one for you. What people say? This color looks truly tan, and does not appear orange on me. It's extremely easy to apply since you can actually see where you've been on your skin. It comes out dark brown. It gives you a gold color. But the undertones are brown, which makes it a really nice color. Number 2. B.TAN Dark Self Tanner Kit. Introducing the B.TAN Dark Self Tanner Kit, your all-in-one solution for a flawless, sun-kissed glow. This bundle includes everything you need for a perfect application every time. Our best-selling mousse paired with a soft tanning mitt applicator ensures a smooth and even application. Say goodbye to streaks and hello to a natural-looking tan. Experience the express difference with our 1-hour sunless foam. It works quickly to deliver a beautiful bronzed glow without the wait. Enjoy the process without the typical fake tan smell. This formula is designed to leave you smelling fresh and feeling confident. We believe in beauty that's kind. That's why our self-tanner is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about the products you use. This kit comes in a generous 6.7 fluid ounces size, providing you with plenty of product to maintain your gorgeous tan. Get ready to shine. What we like? This kit delivers a fast, dark tan in just 1 hour. It's formulated to avoid that unpleasant fake tan smell and comes with a mitt for easy application. If you need a quick, deep tan and prefer a product that smells great, this bundle is perfect. What people say? No orange Oompa Loompa color. Little to no color transfer to other fabric. Dries pretty quick. Number 1. B.TAN Ultra Long Lasting Self Tanner Kit. Introducing the B.TAN Ultra Long Lasting Self Tanner Kit, your all-in-one solution for a beautiful sunless tan. Get ready to glow with ease. This kit includes our popular dark sunless tan mousse for a rich, natural-looking color. Achieve a deep tan without the sun. Enjoy a long-lasting tan that stays vibrant for up to 11 days. This formula is designed for extended wear and a consistent glow. Need a quick tan? Our 1-hour express foam delivers fast bronzing results in just 60 minutes. Perfect for when you're short on time. Experience a pleasant tanning process with no unpleasant fake tan odor. Our formula is designed to smell great while it works its magic. The included mitt applicator ensures a smooth and even application every time. Achieve a streak-free finish effortlessly. What we like? Experience a sunless tan that lasts for up to 11 days. This express foam provides a beautiful dark glow in just 1 hour, with no fake tan odor. If you want a long-lasting, deep tan that develops quickly and requires minimal fuss, this bundle is your ultimate solution. What people say? No orange Oompa Loompa color. Little to no color transfer to other fabric. Dries pretty quick. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.